Hi guys, what's new in JQ Crafty's Corner? Just wanted to give you just a quick what's new. If you didn't see on Instagram, I got announced as one of the Scrap Room design team members. I am so excited. If you don't know what the Scrap Room is, I will have a link down below to their Facebook group, the blog, and to their website. But they are a kit club company. They are actually the first kit club company I had ever heard of when I first kind of started scrapbooking again in college. I scrapbooked a lot in elementary school and high school, kind of took a break, and then needed a creative outlet, and I would get their kits delivered to me monthly. They have kind of like a flavors of the month is kind of like the theme. And so each month, the flavors of the month kit is 4 different collections. And so it's like a mini kit of new collections. You get 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pieces of pattern paper, and then a little bit of the embellishment. So it's a really good way, like if you love all the collections that are coming out, but you don't, you have a giant stash like I do, so you want to be able to play with them, but you're like, I don't need the whole thing, and you just want a little taste. It's perfect. So sorry, this is kind of a shameless plug, but it's a great website, and Rochelle Spears, who runs it, she's an amazing human being. But yeah, so they have flavors of the month kit. You can subscribe. You can do a la carte where you just do it every once in a while, or you can subscribe and get a discount. And so you get 4 different collections every month. And then there's add-ons. There's a double shot kit, which is 2 other collections. You get some additional cardstock with that. There's a cardstock add-on kit, an embellishment add-on kit, a pattern paper add-on kit, so you can get even more pattern paper that coordinate with all the kits that you got for the flavors of the month kit. And there's also a shots of life kit that go every other month. So I will actually be posting process videos and layouts and things for their shots of life kit. I do pocket pages. You probably haven't seen a ton of it on my channel, but I do actually sprinkle them in. I like using them for sprinkling in amongst my 12 by 12s just to kind of reduce some of the full page layouts, and then really good way to like tell a bunch of smaller stories that don't have a ton to say. I really like to use them, or just to plaster them with photos. That's another fun way to use them. And so I have a bunch of different pockets. So I will be designing the shots of life kit and with the double shot kit, so the additional kit that you can get just 2 different collections with. So you'll start seeing videos from me for that after July 1st, but I'm so excited. So she announced it, and it was just, like I said, this was kind of the first kit I'd ever heard of and done. So it's been a dream of mine to be on their design team. I am just filled with joy. I love it. And yeah, that's what's new. So we will talk to you guys next Sunday. I hope you have a fantastic week. Weather is amazing here. It's cold, it's cooler, but very windy. So I don't know if we'll get boat time today because of the wind, but I think we're going to go outside and play some yard games, some bocce ball, that kind of thing, and do some much needed yard upkeeping, that kind of stuff, because it's not overly hot. But I hope you guys all have a fantastic week. We will see you next Sunday for another What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner. Can't even say the name of my own segment. That's fine. Bye.